and I will press play.
Oh, dear brother, here we're going to go to the fish market again.
You're so sweet for taking me to the fish market.
Pause.
I'm just making sure this isn't some foreign channel.
No, okay, that's right. Play.
We're going to get you all sorts of the fishes here, yeah.
Y'all want some fish?
Oh, yeah.
I think we should have this fish right here.
And some
Oh, yeah.
crawdaddies.
Crawdaddy.
I'll be right back.
Yeah,
Where you going?
two large crawdaddies.
Okay.
Maybe we should.
He's going. Can you?
Rewind.
Yeah. Why he's two crawdaddies.
Okay.
Two crawdaddies.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Where you going?
Play.
Where you going?
I'll be right back.
Crawdaddies.
Okay.
Oh, Lord.
He's gone. Can you fix my girdle?
Oh, Lordy, that smells like an aardvark.
Pause. Slow-mo rewind.
Lordy, that smells like an aardvark.
Pause. Boy, that must have happened fast. Play.
What did I do here?
And we're gonna get some of these crawdaddies.
I'm gonna shoot you like with a gator.
Oh, those are really large.
And we have on special today for about $5. You can get some fried pickles.
Fried pickles. Yep.
Double fast rewind.
Oh, you want to get some fried pickles? Fried pickles. Oh,
Pause. Play. Fast forward. Play.
Fried pickles? Yeah. I ain't gonna buy no fried pickles from you for $5. Why not?
I want some fried pickles, dear.
Specially fried.
Especially fried.
What they fried?
Oh, no. Secret sauce.
Pause. Slow-mo rewind.
Oh, no. Secret sauce.
Yeah, what they fried in?
Pause. Play.
Oh, no. Secret sauce.
Got that secret sauce there.
Yeah.
Oh, did.
Yeah, what is it for me? I'll take 2 dozen fried pickles, please.
Pause.
What?
I'm actually suddenly hungry for Popeyes. I'm going to stop.